Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Triton GLX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5396. This shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has one dent and a large straight dent all the way across the bottom of the edge of the door. Factory fitted side steps sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate has 3 small dents. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey cloth interior, cloth type centre console lid, 5-speed manual shifter, heating controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.